though, the shit that's going on.
Yeah. Look at this. Finally got this done. The customer wanted rear brake pads. He wanted Boss 302 GT500 brake lines. Got that done. I restored the plastic this morning, live stream, so you guys could see the solution finish. It was like almost bleach white. Now it's absolutely, looks brand new. Polished the exhaust. Wiped all the junk and stuff out of it. We sent it off to detail, but I wasn't really happy with the detail. I feel like they did a really shit job. So I took the car back in and I said, you know what, I'm just going to go all out. Did the rims. They didn't really clean the rims. So I had to clean the rims myself. And then I ran the door seals, the plastic along the doors, did all the solution finish and redid all that. You seen how all this stuff looked like it was just bleach white from the sun before. All the cowl and stuff was all, we did all that. Got the big brake power stop kit up front, the 4-piston Brembo style. GT500 brake lines up here. And then I coated the car, and after we washed it a second time, and then what I did was I coated a car in this Auto Glim Rapid Ceramic Spray. You can wipe it on wet or dry, and then you come back with a dry towel to get all the smudge marks and stuff off, and it's like glass. Let me show you what's under the hood. We asked them to clean the engine bay and they did a terrible job cleaning the engine bay, so I told my guy, I said, let's get on it. We'll do all the plastic in there, we'll restore the plastic. This was all like almost bleach white, dirty bleach white. And we got in here and we started getting at it. Yep. P1 SC1. About 650, 675 to the wheels. So I tried to have somebody else help me take care of my customer, see if I can build a new relationship with somebody else. They kind of let me down. Yeah, I'm better off sometimes just doing it myself. But I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. And this is one of the project cars. Trying to wait on parts, trying to get parts and stuff in. Such a beautiful car. 62,000 miles. Shifter came loose in the car, starting to wobble around. And to fix these, I've done a lot of these. You take the collar here, and it's really hard to do it, but you pop this chrome collar down, and there's 2 set screws. They come loose. You take them out one at a time. They're like T20s. Put a dab of little red Loctite. Torque it down just nice and snug. The other side nice and snug. And let it sit. Let that Loctite sit up. You're good. It won't ever happen again. Just wipe the inside down with a dry spray. And went around the door seals and stuff, not getting too crazy with any kind of crazy chemicals or anything like that. I didn't really like the way the detail shop did it, so I just did it myself. But the plastic turned out great all around the windows. The product is called Solution Finish. Look at that ass. Look at that ass. Shoo. Y'all be blessed. Take care.